Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to print only 2 pages per sheet using Foxit PDF Editor. This is a PDF file and I'll print 2 pages per sheet. Now click on this printer option or press Ctrl P on your keyboard. Also you can select file option and this print option. You can print a dialog box now open. Now select your printer. You can choose multiple copies. You can select current page or specific page range and select your multiple pages per sheet option and this pages per sheet and select your 2 pages and save this and you can change page order. You can add vertical, reverse vertical, horizontal and select horizontal. Okay, now select OK and save as PDF file and see this 2 pages now printed per sheet. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, and comment.